All right, so good evening, everyone. So, by the way, this is Louis Pure. So, once again, you are attending our stem cell presentation together with the company, which is Freeway International. So, as promised po, ladies and gentlemen, kasi the last time we present the stem cell, no, nag-promise po ako na magbibigay po ako ng new version ng presentation. So this is it, no? So I'm giving you now the second version of my presentation through stem cell therapy. So yung maraming tatanong po, ano po bang yung stem cell therapy? And paano po siya, the second question is, paano po siya makakatulong sa ating health, no? Sa concerns natin sa health natin. And then the third one is, paano ba natin ma-maintain yung pag-iinom natin ng stem cell therapy o pagte-take natin ng stem cell therapy even though wala po tayong ganun kalaki na money to provide or to invest into this kind of should I say therapy or gamot, no, na makakatulong upang ma-address yung health concerns natin. So, yun, once again, I'm Louis Pure po. Ibibigay ko lang po yung background ko before we going to start our presentation. So, first po, no, before po ako nag-join sa ganito na advocacy, I was once a sales agent ng real estate. Okay? So, I hope you are also familiar with Camellia Condo Homes, no? So, before I joined Reway International, naging sales agent po ako ng Camellia Condo Homes. So, familiar naman siguro kayo ng Camellia. No? So, one of their projects is yung condo. So, dati po ako nandun. I stayed there for 1 year. And then also became a sales manager, no? During that kind of that period, no? So, I stayed there for from February 2018 to February 2019. Okay? So, I'm very successful doing that kasi naging top sales manager po ako. For, I think, for 6 consecutive months, naging top sales manager ako. Then, consistent din po yung sales ko. But, yun, na-address naman yung money problem ko regarding sa finances, na-address naman siya. Nakatulong din ako sa family ko. Pero, yung tanong doon is, na-address ba ng pera ng income ko yung health concerns ko and yung health concerns din ng family ko. So, especially my parents kasi hindi naman sila, we're not getting any younger. So, how much more our parents, diba? So, yun ang ano ko na, tanong ko lang sa sarili ko na, how about if may nakita ako na opportunity or something, food supplement ba, na makakatulong upang ma-address yung health concerns ng parents ko. Kahit hindi pa ganun ka siguro kaseryoso yung health problems nila, pero sooner or later, magkakaroon sila ng mga, alam mo yun, yung mga serious na mga illness along the way if they didn't take good care of their health. So, para sa akin, before pa yun mangyari, of course, i-address na natin yun. So, that's why naisipan ko siya na how about if meron akong nakita na ganito na opportunity? So, actually, before pa yun na-present sa akin yung stem cell therapy, I was already thinking about that. And really praying, hoping, no, na merong isang person or isang company ba na magbibigay ng ganitong opportunity na hindi siya masyadong magastos yung i-invest mo na pera para ma-avail mo yung ganito na food supplement or therapy, should I say, or others will say na it's a medicine. Okay? Though I'm not going to say na this is a real medicine because yung medicine kasi pag sinabing medicine, meron siyang chemical na formula na ginagamit. But this one is all foods po yung ingredients niya. So I cannot say that it's really a medicine. Siguro traditional medicine or traditional Chinese medicine. Okay? So yun, back po tayo sa topic. When I was still in real estate, no, I was selling condominiums. Then here comes this guy by the name of Jed Boytrago. He shared to me kung ano yung stem cell therapy. And I was so surprised, maybe. At the same time, na shock ako sa mga testimonies na binigay niya during the presentation. It's like this. Yung i-present ko sa inyo yan. Halos pareho lang siya. But the difference that time, kasi meron siyang actual testimony. There's a live testimony going on that time sa isang hotel dito sa Davao. So, I believe it's Ritz Hotel, yung name ng hotel na yon. Kasi I was there in the lobby, naghihintay ng ng kasama ko. Then, yun, na ano ko siya, nakita ko siya doon na meron silang event. So, I reached out to him actually. Hindi siya yung nag-reach out sa akin. Ako mismo yung nag-reach out sa kanya. Kaya I was thinking, kasi naka-ano siya, naka-formal attire. I was thinking na he's qualified to avail our condominium back then. So, kasi nakita ko sa kanya na yung may pera. Kasi naka-coat and tie, di ba? Pag, pag may pag may pera, kasi usually naka-coat and tie. So, true enough, meron siyang finance that time, actually until now. But yung na-realize ko po is not on the money side but on the health side. Kasi nakita ko na malaki talaga yung opportunity, not just for other people but for my parents talaga. Yun ang nakikita ko, and para sa sarili ko rin. Kasi nung time na yon, I was experiencing, hindi ako nagda-diet, no. Wala akong good diet that time. So para sa akin, need ko talaga na mag-take ng therapy na yun para ma-address yung inside na problem tsaka yung outside na problem. Okay? So, to cut it short, no, nag-invest ako sa company, nag-invest ako sa food supplement, sa stem cell therapy. And then right now, I'm enjoying the benefits, no? So, hopefully, after this presentation, you're going to decide na to take good care of your health and to take this opportunity, to take this therapy na kasama na po sa diet niyo. Every day, iti-take niyo na po siya. Okay, so shall we start? So, the first slide is all about the company. So, the company is Reway International, no? So, nag-start po siya sa Singapore. Okay? So, when we see Singapore, no, it's very, ano ba tawag dyan? High-tech, no? And nabilong po siya sa first world country. Okay, it means to say, including yung mga technology nila when it comes to health is very advanced. Okay? So doon po nag-found yung company natin, which is Reway International, or ang long term niya is Rightway International. So Singapore po siya nag-start, then the company opens Malaysia, and then Indonesia, Thailand, Taiwan, no? And then Philippines. So by the way, nag-start po si Singapore year 2008, and then they opened Philippines last 2016 sa MOA compound. Okay, so far po sa Philippines alone, they already have 4 branches. Okay? So actually they plan to open another 16 branches here in the Philippines, pero hindi lang siya napagpatuloy because of the pandemic. Okay? But hopefully by next year, no, magpapatuloy tayo sa pag-open ng ibang branches pa. Okay? So nag-open din tayo sa Myanmar, and then Japan, and then Hong Kong, and then China. Actually, we already opened Europe. Okay? So pwede nyo po i-search, no, to clarify that, but we already opened Europe and hopefully US. Okay? So yan po. So this is our founder, Mr. Dr. Lim Boon Hong, no? So siya po yung naka-discover ng stem cell therapy. Okay? So based sa kanyang sa understanding ko po, based sa kanya, sa history po, is based on generation to generation po na binigay sa kanya the idea of stem cell therapy. So again, it's a traditional Chinese medicine. So I'm going to detail, no, to give you the detail on the next slides. Okay? So, ito po yung offices natin sa Davao, no? So, Davao po yung sa upper side, no? Here in Cybergate Delta, yan po yung parang main office ng Mindanao. So, lahat mo taga Mindanao, pupunta pa po sa Davao to get their products, to get their stocks. And then, yung isa naman, yung sa baba po, yan po yung unang office ng Philippines, which is Manila, sa MOA compound po. So, yan po, yung dalawa. Yung the other two is wala pa pong picture, no, during this slide, pero meron na po siyang actual office. Okay, so Iloilo and Cebu. So this is the therapy, Pure Placenta 6th edition, made in New Zealand. Okay, so we all know that New Zealand is also the cleanest country in the world, no? So aside from that, that's why we choose New Zealand kasi mas advanced din yung technology nila when it comes to medicine. Tapos meron din silang kompleto din sila ng gamit doon when it comes to preserving the stem cell. Okay, so the other term for pure tear placenta is purity of the deer, yung meaning ng pure tear, and we believe that this is an answer to reverse aging. Okay, so kung kayo po na nanonood, no, you want to reverse your aging process, kumbaga gusto niyo na bumata kayo instead of you are just 30 or let's say 40 years old, gusto niyo bumata, bumalik sa pagka-30, you have to take this therapy. Okay? So yan. These slides po, yung mabibigay ko sa inyo na slides is more on the testimonies muna before I'm going to give you the detail of the therapy. So first one is, meron tayong isa sa pinakauna na mga testimony, no, is Raymond Tong, 53 years old. Yung problem niya is meron siyang 4 episodes of heart attack. So good thing is na survive niya po yon. So has been hospitalized for 4 times in 8 years. And then ang malala pa is na-experience niya yung critical control unit 2 beses. Okay? Before po siya nag-take ng stem cell, ito po yung niya, makita niyo naman sa slides. So yan po yung facial niya na features. But 7 months later, so yan na po yung naglala yung condition niya after 7 months, I think, no? Kasi naka-experience siya ng CCU. But after niya nag-take ng pure tear, no? Yan na po yung yung facial niya na feature. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang po siya nag-reverse aging kasi nakikita niyo nag-reverse aging si Sir. But actually, na-address po yung heart problem ni Mr. Raymond Tong. Okay? So, the second slide is, ito naman si David Yeo is from Singapore. Yung kanina po, from Malaysia po yun. Okay, 22 years diabetes patient. So, nagtitake ng 4 insulin injections per day. So, usually sa may tiyan po siya ini-inject yung insulin. So, imagine that, every day niya yung tinitake yung insulin. And then, almost blind na po siya because of the sugar level, no? And then, skin pigmentation because of the side effect of the insulin. Pero, after 6 months po, di ba? May nakikita ba kayong changes? So, yan po na picture, I guess, if you're going to ask me, or kung tatanungin ko po kayo, maybe you're going to say na, kung tatanungin ko po kayo, how old is Mr. David Yeo? Sasagutin niyo siguro mga nasa 40 or nasa 45, but actually, he's already 65 years old. Okay? During that picture, no? So, nag-reverse aging si Mr. David Yeo. At the same time, na-address din yung diabetes problem niya. So, ngayon, hindi na po siya nag-i-insulin. In his one of our team at Pegasus, no? Pegasus 7 na po siya, is earning roughly nasa mga 40 to 50 million in a peso value per month. So, yan po. And then, ito naman po is, dito na sa Davao, no? Kasi I'm from Davao. So, this one is si Ma'am Nancy Balsomo. Kasi medyo mahirap i-pronounce yung name ni Ma'am. Scheherazade Balsomo. Okay, or si Miss Nancy. 69 years old po. Yung problem ni ma'am is meron siyang tumor or tinatawag natin na goiter sa kanyang neck, no? So, meron siyang ganito since 2014 pa po. Imagine that one. But after taking the therapy, within 6 months po, na-address din yung problem ni ma'am. Plus, nag-reverse aging din siya. Okay? Then, the other one, ito naman is also from Davao, si Ma'am Amina Ginit Datukan. Yung problem naman ni ma'am is meron siyang tinatawag na severe bronchial asthma. Okay? So, yun, tinitake niya po na gamot before the stem cell or before Pretir placenta is ito po yung na-mention, no? Steroids, 2.5 milligrams once a day. And then antihistamine, once a day pa rin. And then anti-asthma. And then bronchodilator. And then inhaler. And then inhaler twice a day. So lahat po yan, tinitake ni ma'am since childhood. Okay? At the same time, na-hospitalize si ma'am because she has this severe bronchial asthma since childhood pa. So, aside from masakit sa ulo kasi, di ba, pabalik-balik ng hospital, masakit din sa bulsa. Kasi nga, magastos, no? But, when she took the therapy from July 18, 2018 to November 21, so marami pong changes na nangyari. Aside from nag-glow yung skin niya because of the reverse aging na benefits, and na-address din yung problem niya sa kanyang severe bronchial asthma. So, dineclare ng doktor po na hindi na niya need yung more than half of those medicines na tinitake niya. Tapos, hindi na po siya na-hospitalize. Ito ba yung nangyari? So, di ba, meron siyang asthma. Pero, after the 6 months therapy, nagbabasketball na po si ma'am. Yun. So, kaya niya na pong mag-physical activity, no? After the therapy. So, ganun kaganda po. So, ito naman si Sir Patosa, yung nag-introduce sa kanya sa therapy is like me, no? Nag-introduce sa therapy sa kanya is his son, no? Yung anak niya po, si Mr. Gerson. He's a teacher in Digos, no? And then, one time, nakausap niya si Jed din, yung na-introduce sa akin ng therapy. Nakausap niya yung father niya may COPD. Kasi yung father niya po is chain smoker. So, pag naninigarilyo po tayo, so eventually, magka-create po yung katawan natin ng mga ganitong sakit like this one, yung COPD. So, para sa kanya, para sa father din niya po, is, para sa kanila, wala na pong solusyon yung problem ni Sir Patosa. Kasi nga, sabi ng doktor, wala na ring shots, wala ring medicine na makaka-address sa problem niya. But when he took the therapy, after 6 months, yan na po yung nangyari. So, mapapansin nyo naman sa second picture, malaki yung improvement ni Sir. In short, na-address yung problem niya na COPD after 6 months. Then, nag-reverse aging pa siya. Like my father, i-share ko na lang din po. Dati po, meron siyang tinatawag na enlargement of the heart. No? Before is, meron siyang high blood, then nagkaroon siya ng heart enlargement kasi na-stress yung yung heart niya because of the physical activity. Nagbubuhat siya ng mga bagay, yung mabibigat na bagay. Kasi nagpa-construct kami ng bahay, then tumulong siya. So, when he took the therapy, siguro mga 4 bottles pa lang yung na-take niya. Meron ng malaking improvement until na-finish niya yung 6 months, then fully recovered na po siya right now. Kasi dati, hindi siya nakakahina ng maayos. In fact, hindi siya nakakatulog because of that situation. Like this, kay Sir Patosa, hindi rin siya nakakatulog ng maayos. Hindi rin siya nakakahinga ng maayos. Pero this one is different. Yung sa kanya naman is related to, I think, lungs, no? Related to lungs naman to. So, yun, na-address po yung problem ng father ko. And ito rin si Sir, na-address din yung problem niya. So, ito naman, the other testimony is coming from Miss Maylene Amugis, yung anak niya po is meron tinatawag na autism, no? So, based sa kanila, Hindi kasi ako familiar with the autism, pero yung bata po pag may autism daw, for them is hindi na bibigyan ng instruction. Pag inaano mo siya, pag binibigyan mo siya ng instruction, hindi niya ina-adapt yung instruction. Pero after the therapy po na nag-take yung anak ni Miss Mylene, is nakakaintindi na siya ng instruction. And in fact, ito po yung next video is nakaka-pronounce na siya ng maayos, no? Yun. Dati kasi hindi niya talaga ma-pronounce yung kahit one word lang. Ngayon is nakakasalita na siya. So yun. So ito naman si Miss Belinda Dabi is a nursing aide from US. Pero taga Davao si Ma'am, no? Nandun po siya is I think 7 years na po siya eh. 7 years na po siyang stroke, no? Nasa US po siya. And then half body paralyzed po si Ma'am. At the same time, meron siyang tinatawag na Parkinson's disease. Yun. Okay, so pag-uwi niya ng Davao, hindi po alam ng family niya na meron siya ganitong sakit. Kasi US expected natin na modernize yung medicine doon, 'di ba? Na-address lahat ng sakit. Pero hindi pala. So when she finally took the therapy, no, with the advice of his doctor, si Dr. Otelo Inoveso, I don't know if you're familiar with him. Pero siya po yung nag-udyok kay Miss Belinda Dabi to really take the therapy, to religiously take it, kasi hindi pwede na maputol yung therapy. Now, after 6 months po, ito po yung nangyari. Yan. Imagine po, half body paralyzed po si Ma'am. This is one of the first testimonies na nakita ko na grabe talaga yung changes. Kasi na-experience ko to nung nakita ko yung lolo ko na meron din ganito, half body paralyzed din, pero hindi talaga naka-recover. Maraming therapy na tinake niya pero hindi pa rin naka-recover. But this one, no, she just took the therapy. Walang ibang therapy na naka-address sa problem niya. Only this kind of therapy, which is a peer care placenta. Ayun, so bumalik tayo sa presentation, no. So i-share ko lang po yung natin slide. Share ko ulit po. Ayan. Balik muna tayo. Okay, kasi naputol siguro dahil sa sa connection. Okay. So ito naman po si Mr. Rolando Chong. Meron po siyang sakit na psoriasis since 2011. So we all know that psoriasis, ito na sakit po, yung skin disease. Aside sa mabaho siya, according sa mga doctors na tanong namin, wala na po talagang cure, incurable po siya. So this is very unbelievable kasi right after he took the therapy, ito po yung changes. So hinahinay, no? Slowly regaining yung dati niyang skin. And then, actually, right now, wala na po talaga yung psoriasis ni sir. Kasi na-address po siya. Ayan. Then, si Nona Aquino naman is 40 years old from Davao City. Ayan. So, as you can see po, nawala na po yung buhok ni ma'am because of the chemotherapy. So, meron po siyang ovarian cancer. Then, after she took the chemotherapy, meron pa rin naiwan na 13.5 na tumor. But after 2 months of taking Pertio Placenta, nag-down na po yung yung tumor marking to 4.7. And then ito na po siya ngayon, no? After 6 months of taking the therapy, kinontinue na po yung therapy. Ito na po yung lab result saying that she's cancer-free after 6 months therapy. Yan po yung sa hospital galing, no? Na laboratory result. Then, ito naman po, si Miss Misa Menchi Ann from Leyte, 47 years old, meron din siyang cancer. A breast cancer, stage 4. No? So, na-diagnose siya last December 2016. So, nireject yung doctor's advice to go to chemotherapy. Bakit po? Kasi, according sa kanya, ayaw na niya mag-suffer. Kasi lahat naman ng mga kilala niya is nag-undergo ng chemotherapy, hindi naman naka-recover. In fact, lahat sila, based sa kanyang testimony, is na namatay lahat, no? Kasi hindi naka-recover and then papatayin kasi lahat ng ano mo yung hindi lang bad cells but also the good cells, papatayin niya. So she decided to go for alternative medication which is food supplements until na nakita niya yung yung opportunity for Pertier placenta. She took 6 capsules daily, no? Since January 5, 2017. Then, 'di ba? Luckily, surprisingly nag-progress po yung tumor marking ni Ma'am Misa from 20.7 to 13.5 in just 10 weeks. And then right now, yan na po yun siya. So she's now cancer free. So last 2018, if I can still remember it right, so December 2018, nagpunta po kami sa Singapore. So na-meet ko po si Ma'am and then I asked her, no, personally, kung nawala na ba talaga yung kasi hindi ko makapaniwala, stage 4 breast cancer na. So yung dineclare niya po, cancer free na talaga. Meron namang lab result na pinakita niya talaga sa akin. So yun. So cancer free na po si Miss Misa. So the reason why meron existing po yung therapy natin because of these following diseases. So ito yung tinatawag na death sentence without committing any crime. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong gawin nyo po, no? Because of our current situation right now, magkakaroon po tayo ng ganitong sakit. No? Based on World Health Organization, 54% at least, no? Based on the developing countries, will experience this kind of diseases. Especially those people na wala pong other alternative. They are just taking the medicine na reseta sa kanila ng doktor, no? Wala silang healthy lifestyle, puro fast food yung kinakain nila. So ito po yung magiging sakit natin later on. So like heart disease, stroke, no, Alzheimer, lung cancer, especially sa mga chain smoker, no. So COPD, yung sinabi ko kanina, then lower respiratory infections, colon cancer, diabetes, kidney disease, and breast cancer. So ano po yung other reasons why we are having this? Number one is aging population because we are all aging. So wala naman sigurong tao na hindi na tumatanda, di ba? So lahat tayo tumatanda based on our age. Then according pa sa studies, kahit you're 30 years old lang, yung body type mo is hindi na pang 30 years old. Nagiging 40 years old ka na because of sa lahat ng factors na nangyayari. Like advance na yung technology, yung pollution pa, di ba? Then also the wrong diet, no? Why we experience this disease? Because of the wrong diet. Yung sinabi ko kanina, so every day nasa labas tayo, so we are eating unhealthy na mga foods like street foods, no? Like fast foods. Then inevitable stress. So lahat ng po siguro stress, no? Lahat ng tao stress. So wala siguro kung nakikita na hindi po stress. Kahit nga mga bata ngayon stress na kasi gumagamit ng mga gadgets, di ba? So nakaka-stress din 'yon. And then yung pollution na sinabi ko po, hindi lang isang pollution. So may air pollution, mayroong noise pollution, no? So lahat na po. Ito na po lahat yung nagko-cause ng mga critical na mga conditions, mga diseases. Yan po. So yan po yung natin ginatawag na bottleneck crisis. Okay? So yan po yung hopefully ma-address po ng Pertier placenta, ng therapy na to when you decide to take the therapy. Okay? Kasi meron na tayong mga testimonies eh. So, the question now is, saan ba nanggaling yung stem cell? Saan ba siya na-discover? Okay? So, this is a recent medical science breakthrough. Ito po yung, kumbaga, definition niya. So, yung stem cell po, to make it short, galing po siya sa sperm and egg. No? Di ba? Yung, halimbawa, yung niyo, parents niyo po. So, parents natin. So, when they decide to make love, no, yung sperm and egg, nag-combine siya, it became a single stem cell. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya, kasimple. And then, ang nangyari, after that process, tinatawag siya na duplication. So, nagdo-duplicate, nagmo-multiply siya within 24 hours. And then, after 48 hours, meron siya tinatawag na blastocyst. And then after how many months, nagkakaroon siya ng another type of cell, which is stem cell, liver stem cell, heart stem cell, then lung stem cell, up to 300 different types of stem cell. And then finally, after 9 months, magiging baby na po siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, lahat po tayo nanggaling po sa isang stem cell. Okay? So, it means, kung may problem po yung katawan natin, kasi nanggaling tayo sa sa stem cell, it means yung makakasolve lang pala nun is just a stem cell. Hindi po siya ibang gamot na tinitake natin. I know, there are a lot of medicines po na nakaka-address ng mga health problems natin. Like for example, yung may sakit tayo, may lagnat, di ba? So, hindi naman agad-agad ma-address yan ng stem cell. Pero kayang address ng medicine, no? Ng paracetamol, for example lang. Okay? Pero there are serious illnesses na hindi po kaya i-address ng regular medicine. Kahit nung binigay sa atin ng doctor, like for example, maintenance natin. Sa halimbawa, diabetes, meron kang maintenance, or high blood, di ba? So, hindi naman, porque nag-iinom ka nun, nagtitake ka nun, or ina-inject mo siya, hindi ibig sabihin na nawawala na yung sakit mo. They are just controlling the illness na hindi siya maglalala. Pero, along the way, pag sige ka take ng mga maintenance medicine, magka-create din siya ng another form of illness. So, in the long run, hindi pa rin siya nakaka-address ng problem natin sa health. So, this one is very, very helpful sa atin, no? It can be a support kung meron kay maintenance. Pwede natin i-support yung stem cell therapy. So, tinatawag din siya na most basic form of all living things. Kasi nga, we are all made up of stem cell. Kahit yung mga plants, no? They are all made up of stem cell. Kahit yung hayop, no? Kahit ibang hayop, no? They are all made up of stem cell. Then, it has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries. Because up until now, wala pa pong kayang i-limit yung stem cell, no? Parang lahat kaya niya i-address. Even yung cataract problem natin sa mata, ma-address niya rin po. Meron kaming mga testimonies na ganyan. And then, miraculous abilities, because this is the very first time na nakita ko, no, with my own eyes, na may mga tao na naka-recover using this kind of therapy. Okay? So, yun po. So, hindi lang po kami yung naka-discover ng stem cell. Marami pa pong iba. There are a lot of international magazines claiming that this therapy really addresses the problem of every patient na meron sila. For example po, merong nakalagay dito, stem cell therapy to treat diabetes. So, ibig sabihin, no, yung person na yon, meron siyang current ganito na situation, pero na-address pa rin ng stem cell therapy. So, sa US po yun. So, meron ding AIDS patient. Ibig sabihin, they claim that this patient cured, no? So, naka-recover talaga with stem cells, no? And then, other terms, other magazines like, ito, yung Chinese character. Kayo, I'm sure hindi kayo makabasa, pero nakabasa po ako. 100 years old, no? Yan yung ibig sabihin niya. Looks like 50 years old. So, may reverse aging na nangyari. And cancers and stem cell, no? Meron ding treatment sa cancer. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, marami na tayong testimonies. No? Just search it on the internet po, like Facebook or YouTube. You can already search so many testimonies na halos iba't ibang country yung naka-experience. Parang worldwide na po yung natin, yung natulungan natin, especially here in the Philippines. So, unstoppable medical science trend, greatest revolution of medicine emerge. Yan po yung other definition niya. So, other than us, ano po yung mga therapy pa na you can choose to have, no? Na kung ayaw nyo po yung per-tier placenta. So, meron tayo dito, placenta injection. All you have to do is you go to Switzerland or Germany na magpa-inject ka doon. Then, ma-address yung particular problem ng body nyo. So, the cost of that is per session, it will cost you 1.2 to 1.5 million. So it's very costly. Iba pa po yung pagpunta nyo dyan, yung travel nyo, tapos you have to stay there for at least 30 days to make that stem cell compatible with your body. So ganun po. And hindi po siya 100% compatibility. So nasa ano lang siya, between 30 to 70% compatible. So there are times na hindi po talaga siya compatible, so you have to wait for more days pa to make it more compatible with your body. And then you also have stem cell transplant. So kung may problem ka, for example lang po, sa right kidney nyo po, and then your left kidney is okay, so ang gagawin lang po ng stem cell transplant is kukunan yung good na kidney nyo ng stem cell, tapos i-extract siya, then nililipat po sa kidney nyo na may problem. So, on that process po, hindi po pwede na gagamit tayo ng anesthesia kasi mamamatay yung stem cell. So, aside from that, expensive pa siya kasi it will cost you around 700 to 800,000 in peso. So, ganun siya kamahal. And then the third one is yung cord blood banking. So, ang gagawin po ng mother, no, na pagkapanganak niya po sa baby niya, so we're going to extract stem cell from the umbilical cord. Okay, yung tinatawag na cord blood banking. So at least for 20 years time, pwede mo siya i-store sa hospital, no? Meron tayong mga hospital na nag-store ng stem cell. Pero yung cost niya is around roughly nasa 500,000 a year. So it's very expensive pa rin. And meron siyang time limit, up to 20 years lang po pwede magamit yung stem cell na yon. Then ang pwede magagamit po is dalawa lang din, yung mother tsaka yung baby. Kasi sa kanila lang po pwede yon. Kasi yung galing lang sa kanila na na stem cell. Hindi siya pwede sa iba. Baka may existing na disease yung stem cell na yon, baka ma-transfer pa sa iba. So hindi siya po pwede. Then the other one is the non-professional, which is placenta ejection sa beauty salon. So we all know pag non-professional po, may mga safety concerns tayo na pwede nating i-consider kasi wala pa silang license. So instead na bumata po kayo or ma-address yung health problem niyo, hindi po, mas lumala pa yung problem natin. And then another one is healthy lifestyle. Ito po is libre naman siya. So kaso lang, it's very ineffective and yung persistency niya, so questionable. Kasi you have to exercise 15 to 30 minutes a day, no, daily basis siya. And you have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. So, yan yung dapat mong gawin para mag-regenerate yung cells mo. At the same time, kailangan mo nag-eat ng healthy foods and dapat wala kang stress. Sino bang tao na walang stress? Di ba? So, ineffective siya. Hindi siya possible, no? And then the last one is adult stem cell banking. So, ang gagawin po, mag-extract po sa sarili nyong stem cell sa bone marrow, and we are going to extract it to or the doctors are going to inject to your body parts. So, ma-address naman siya, but, it's very costly. Tapos, adult na yung stem cell na ginamit kasi nanggaling din sa katawan niyo. So, the question now, if you don't want these methods, yung shinare ko ngayon, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable? Okay? So, meron bang ganito na option? Actually, meron. This only is our therapy. It's Pure Placenta. So, it's very affordable po. Effective and convenient. Kasi nga, pwede mo siya ma-take anywhere. No? Kasi it's capsule form. So, i-discuss ko na siya ngayon, yung technology natin. So, this is an oral capsule modern technology. Yung first technology is freeze-drying technology. So, saan ba nanggaling yung stem cell? It came from Deer Placenta. Okay? Kasi we believe, no? The company believes and the CEO believes that Deer Placenta is 100% compatible sa human body. So, meron din tayong research. So, we have random clinical trials na through before natin pinalabas sa market yung stem cell therapy natin. So, nilagay siya sa freezer kasi para maging active yung cells natin. Maging live cell pa rin siya kahit nasa capsule form. So, at least 3 to 4 years time, no, it continuously to become live. So, buhay po yung cells. Kasi mas effective po yung stem cell pag buhay po siya. And then the second technology is nitrogen field technology. Tinanggal po yung oxygen kasi it will just cause yung parang magiging rancid siya. Yung natin, yung stem cell. 'Di ba pag nag-cut kayo ng apple, after few minutes mabubulok siya or mag-yellowish siya or mag-brownish. Ganun din po yung mangyayari sa stem cell pag meron tayong oxygen sa loob ng stem cell. So that's why tinanggal po natin yung oxygen, pinalitan natin ng nitrogen para ma-preserve. Okay? So prevent from oxidation then at the same time. Then ikatlo na na technology is enteric-coated technology kasi yung capsule natin hindi siya basta-basta na capsule. It's not a typical capsule. So double coating po yung nangyayari tapos food supplement po yung sa labas yung capsule niya. So ang mangyayari po, hindi agad-agad nadadamage yung capsule natin sa stomach kasi yung stomach is very acidic. By the time na mag-reach siya ng stomach, yung normal medicine is nadadamage na sa doon. So only 20% of the medicine yung natitake nyo ng katawan nyo. But this one is different. At least 60 to 80% of the content of the capsule will be absorbed by your body. Dediretso po siya sa small intestine. Okay, then the fourth one is emulsification technology. By the time it reaches the small intestine, kakalat din po siya sa lahat ng parts ng katawan natin. That's why it automatically addresses the problem of our body parts. No? So, the last one is biosoft gel technology para kahit medyo malaki kasi yung capsule, mas madali siya malulunok kasi soft gel siya. Yan. So, ito po yung video presentation natin. Yan. So, pag take nyo po ng pure tear, so again, dadaan po siya sa stomach, so hindi siya agad-agad madadamage yung content, no? Yung capsule. So, dediretso po siya sa small intestine natin kung saan nandoon po yung alkalinity level. So, ibig sabihin, mas effective po yung stem cell pag doon po siya nakapunta. So, yun, nag-emulsify na po siya, kumalat na po siya sa parts ng body natin. So, dito po, as an example, sa villi po siya pumunta. Part of our small intestine. Okay, so from there, so pupunta po siya sa microvilli natin. Okay? So, para din siyang dugo, no? So, siya, mag-flow din siya sa bloodstream natin. Yan. So, part of the process po ng stem cell is, meron din tayong tinatawag na detox. Di ba, alam naman na lahat natin pag detox is yung tinatawag natin na cleansing, no, ng body. So, part of it, yun din po yung ginagawa ni stem cell. Parang na rin niya, ano ba tawag dito? Natural process niya, part of the process of stem cell. So, ang ginagawa niya po first is, dinidivide niya po yung mga active cells sa natin, sa body natin, sa cellular membrane. And then those old cells, yung hindi na po nagagamit ng katawan natin, kasi hindi na po siya nagagamit, it means para siyang basura kung sa gamit natin. So, dapat tinatapon na siya. So, like this one, so tinatanggal siya ng stem cell, tapos tinatain na lang natin. Tapos iniihi natin siya. So, that's part of the detox, yung cleansing. Then, the next process will be, yung sinabi ko kanina, pupunta siya sa different parts ng body. Like, for example, this one is, pumunta po siya sa heart natin. Okay? Kasi in-scan niya yung parts natin na may immediate problem, no? Na kailangan ng immediate concern. So, pupunta po siya doon, tapos meron siyang tinatawag na stem cell adhesion, no? As if siya na po yung assume ng responsibility ng organ na may problem. So, yan po yung ginagawa niya. So, i-assume niya yung problem ng organ, tapos magdoduplicate lang din po siya. Katulad nung in-explain ko kanina, di ba? From a single stem cell, it duplicates. Mag-multiply siya. So, ganun po yung gagawin niya rin when you when you took the stem cell. So magde-divide, mag-multiply din siya. Okay? And then, the next process na gagawin niya po after the duplication, pag hindi na po siya makaduplicate, is magkakaroon tayo ng cell regeneration. Okay? So, i-regenerate niya po yung sarili niya, including the organs, para bumalik yung normal na process ng organ natin. So, yun. Magre-regeneration po siya. And then, the last process will be the cell repair. So, i-repair niya po yung lahat ng damage ng organ niyo. Like, for example, this heart problem, no? Meron siyang maga sa heart. So, halimbawa lang, meron siyang heart enlargement, no? So, yun, na-address po yung problem ng organ, ng heart ng patient, no? That's why, yan po yung reason why magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na reverse aging. Yan. Because of addressing the inner problem, na-address din po yung outer na problem natin, which is na tumatanda tayo, but na-address pa rin ng 30% ng stem cell therapy. So, that's it. Yan. So, ito naman po, ito yung tinatawag na evolution ng 30%. Kasi we started with just 5 ingredients. No, hindi ibig sabihin we are talking about stem cell, hindi lang po yung ingredient ng 30%. Meron pa siyang other ingredients. Okay, so ito yung first edition, meron tayong 5 ingredients. I will not go through it na kasi medyo mataas na yung presentation natin. The second edition, nag-add tayo ng 2, doon ng marine collagen and so on and so forth. Then third edition, then fourth edition, nag-add din tayo ng ISAP, the lycopene, and the fifth edition, the dendrobium. Then, regardless of the cost of the company, no, starting from the first edition, way back in 2008, wala po tayong price increase. Ibig sabihin, when they started the launching, hindi po siya nag-price increase ng company. They just want to address the problem of our clients, no, na yung mga willing din po na ma-address yung problem nila. So, they just want to pursue perfection, no, including to the company. So, yung latest edition natin, the 6th edition, is nag-launch siya ng additional pa na 4 na ingredients. So, from 50 milligrams na beer placenta, so nagiging 100 milligrams siya. So, nag-add tayo ng additional 50 milligrams. And then, we also add the apple polyphenol. Di ba we say an apple a day keeps the doctor away? How much more the 100 apples combined into 20 milligrams, no? In-extract po siya. So, the fourth one is enhanced marine collagen. So, nagiging 100 milligrams. And then, the fourth one is the fucoidan extract. Ito naman po is a seaweed from Japan, no? Known as yung tinatawag natin na kino-convert niya yung cancer cells, no, within 24 hours to make it a good cell, no. So yan po yung trabaho ni fucoidan. Ito po yung isa sa mga sekreto ng mga Japanese people why they stay 100 years old, 115 years old, because of this seaweed. Yan. Then ito na po yung lahat ng ingredients combined into one capsule. We have 12 ingredients po. So sa upper po, yan po yung nag-address ng inner. Yung sa baba naman is yan po yung nag-address ng outer. More on the outer side po siya. So bakit po, ang question now is bakit po natin nilalagyan ng other ingredients? To make sure po na lahat ng concerns ng body natin ma-address po. Hindi po kasi kaya ng stem cell na siya lang po yun. So, mas effective po yung stem cell pag meron po siyang other ingredients na i-combine. So, based on our scientists po, meron tayong scientists, no, na hinire po for this one. Kasi sila yung specialist for this one. So, ito po yung mga nakita nila na very effective ingredients para ma-address talaga yung lahat ng problems ng katawan natin. Yan. So, to make sure that this stem cell therapy is really safe, no? So we have international safety certifications na binibigay, no, na dinideclare. So number 1 is meron tayong tinatawag na international free sale certification. So coming from New Zealand po siya. Then the other one is New Zealand GMP certification based on the main facility of the Alpha Lab. Okay? Alpha Lab po yung laboratory natin. Then, based on the research plan, same pa rin po, New Zealand GMP certification. And we also have New Zealand Food Safety certification. Kasi food supplement po yung product natin. And kasi 'di ba, we are a Singapore-based company. So although our manufacturer is based in New Zealand, pero our company is based in Singapore. So that's why we also have a Singapore General Hospital Safety Test certification. Both of these countries, New Zealand and Singapore, are first world country. They will not give any certificate kung hindi po siya totoo, kung hindi po talaga siya safe, kung hindi po siya effective. So yan po yung isang certification, Singapore. And we also have Singapore HSA Safety Certification. And last but not the least is the Federation of Islamic Association of New Zealand International Halal Certification. And here in the Philippines, we also have a certification, no, coming from FDA. We are FDA approved until 2022, next year. So we are going to just extend it. We are going to have a new license, no, after 2022. So yan po yan. Pwede nyo po i-search through internet po. Yan po yung lahat ng presentation. So, setting aside po the business presentation, just walk you through the presentation. Hindi po ako magbibigay ng details. Kasi yung nag-invite sa inyo nito, I'm sure they can already address this business presentation if you really want to make it a business. Kasi we are doing this not just for our health but also for our finances. Kasi na-address din yung problem ng ating finances. So, yan po. Tapos na po ako sa presentation. Now, if you want to continue this presentation, just continue to look into it, to watch it. Then, if you don't want, na pwede nyo i-cut yung presentation ngayon. Okay? So, if you want to proceed, I'm going to continue. So, aside from being taking this therapy, no, being a user, pwede rin po kayong magiging Reway distributor. Okay? So, all you need to do is to buy that one set, yung tinatawag natin na 6 months therapy. Then, you're going to have your own Reway account. That's a lifetime membership. So, meron tayong PHID na tinatawag and you will be registered po. Meron din tayong tax na kinakaltas sa commission niyo po or sa bonus na tinatawag natin. Yan. So again po, yung company will give you a free account. It's lifetime, no? Pwede niyo po i-transfer po 'to, no? Transferable po siya sa mga anak natin, no? Later on na hindi niya na po nagagamit, so pwede niyo po i-transfer, pwede niyo pong ipamana, kumbaga. So it's international, ibig sabihin po you can always sell anywhere in the world. Okay? Especially yung mga na-mention ko ng mga countries na meron po tayong branches doon. You can just pick up the product, then pwede nyo po ibenta agad. Pwede nyo po i-dispose agad. And you will earn commission and free products. Meron din tayong free products. Kasi sa akin, experience ko po, I earned, I think, 8 bottles of Fertil Placenta worth 167,000 for free. Binibigay ng company yun. So that's, na-address po yung question kanina na, what if wala kang masyadong pera, no? Masyadong malaking pera. So, how can you maintain by doing this business? Okay? So, yung Diamond entry package, which is 6 months therapy po, will cost us 135,000. So, ito po yung lahat ng inavail ng mga tao, no? Ng mga Reway distributors na naniniwala sa product and na-address yung problem nila sa health nila. So, like me, no, I also buy this Diamond entry package because I believe that this product addresses health concerns. So, na-address po yung problem ng father ko, no? And also my wife, na-address din yung problem ng health niya. So, sa ovary naman yung sa kanya. So, na-address din. Dati kasi nag-excess bleeding si wife, ngayon wala na po. Okay? So, get a minimum of 7 bottles of Fertil Placenta. Yan po yung regular niya. But right now, no, this October 2020, we're giving you plus 3 bottles for free. Okay, that's a hindi ko siya matatawag na promo, but also an offer, a company offer po, especially in this time of pandemic, no? Kasi I believe there are a lot of people suffering not just in their health but also in their wealth, no, their finances. So by doing this, by getting this, meron kayong 3 bottles na makukuha just for October, for this month lang alone. Okay, so maximize your income potential with 3 business units. It means sa 135,000, meron na kayong 3 account. So times 3 po yung income nyo dito. So income maximizer startup, save over 14,000 with this package. Kasi normal na regular na na price ng isang bottle is it will cost you 20,880. But by getting this package, it will only cost you 135,000 plus meron pa tayong 3 bottle na binibigay this October. Okay? Then kung ayaw nyo naman yung diamond package, we also have 4 bottles of Puerto Placenta. It will cost you 79,900 pesos. Pero wala na po siyang free. And then gold package naman is 2 bottles of Puerto Placenta. This will cost you 41,760. Wala na rin po siyang discount. Then silver package is, yun, sinabi ko kanina, that's 20,880 pesos. Yan po yung silver package. Lahat po to, yung na-mention ko, platinum, gold, and silver, lahat po yan, isang account lang po. Hindi katulad ni Diamond na 3 account po siya. Times 3 yung magiging income natin. So, before you start climbing your ladder of success, see to it that you are leaning on the right wall. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? So, ito ba yung right wall? So, our ladders of success is, first is you are going to use the product. So, hirap naman pag nag-business ka tapos hindi mo ginagamit yung product. Diba? How can you tell your own story, your own testimony if you don't use the product? Or at least your family is using the product. Okay? Then, the second one is you have to build your own story. So, by getting the therapy, by taking the therapy, make sure that there's a constant taking of the therapy. Meron siyang continuous na taking para makita natin yung testimony talaga. Pero para makita mo talaga yung changes na nangyayari sa katawan mo. Physically and internally, makikita naman yan sa lab results. And then the third one is share your story. Of course, when you're in this business, hindi po pwede na hindi nyo po i-share kasi wala kayong magiging income. Di ba? Ang hirap naman, nag-business ka pero ikaw lang yung nakakaalam. Okay? So you have to share it to everyone. Okay? Then the fourth one is learn the business, of course. Paano po yung learn? So you just have to attend all our events, no? In a Zoom meeting, Zoom training natin, and also by attending this presentation, and also by sharing, no? By sharing this. Okay? And then you have to duplicate. Ibig sabihin, you have to encourage someone na to do this business with you. Yung mga naniniwala po sa inyo na person, all those people, no? Yan po yung right person na dapat yung share ng ganitong opportunity. Kasi it's not just for money na concerns, but also for health concerns na address din po. So, how can you duplicate? So, for example, this is you right now. So, meron ka pong na-share na 4 na mga kaibigan mo. For example lang, 4 lang po nag-start po kayo. And then, these people also share this opportunity, no, na meron din sila natulungan na mga tao na may health problem. So, nag-share din po sila sa 4 na mga tao. So, nagiging 16 na po siya. Then, eventually, nagiging 64. Yung na-share na po. Then, nagiging 256. Then, up to infinite po yung income dito. So, halimbawa lang, up to 340 katao yung na-share nyo po. Now, what happens is, kung i-divide natin po sila, nagiging 170 katao dito sa kabila, nagiging 170 dito sa kabila. Okay? So, yung 170 katao, meron silang na-dispose, no? Per person, meron silang na-dispose na 4 sets per month. Okay? Ibig sabihin, meron silang total of 680 sets per month na na-dispose. Okay? So, meron kang tinatawag na 680 development bonus. per month because of that. Okay? So, if you buy or sell 1 set per week or buy sell 4 sets per week, so pero pwede ka magka-income ng 12,000 na bonus if you sell 1 set. Now, what happens if yung 680 nagkatotoo yun? So times 12 mo yung income mo, that's around 8.6 or 8.16 million per month. Or make it church 8.1 million per month. Malaki na ba? Of course, there are already people na naka-experience ng ganitong income like Sir Rex Bugalaw, no? Umabot siya ng I think around 20 to 30 million in 1 month. Kasi last year na accumulated income ni Sir Rex Bugalaw is around 54 million. Okay? But sa akin naman, I'm just going to share it with you. Hindi pa ako naabot ng ganyan, but yung pinakamalaking income ko in a month is around 259,000. Okay? So, malaki ba yun? So, sa normal na tao, malaki na yun eh. Diba? Sa normal employee. I was once an employee, but right now, I'm doing this business. No? Pwede nyo i-part-time, pwede nyo i-full-time, depende sa inyo po. So, ganun. So, halimbawa lang po, you are just too conservative to do this business. Meron kayong tinatawag na residual passive income and it can be transferable, can be increased. No? For example lang po, only 50% of the people na siniran nyo yung nag-duplicate. No? So, instead of, siguro, hindi siya umabot ng 680 or 340 people, naging 170 lang siya. So, to cut it short, 50% lang po, no? Yung sa in-expect natin. So, nagkakaroon ka ng 4 million pesos a month na income. Now, if it's 25% lang po, no? Nung expected mo na passive income and then passive na mga tao na nag-duplicate, hindi siya umabot ng 340 katao, no? Maybe nasa ano lang, let's say mga ano lang siguro to. How can we divide the 170? Divide muna natin. $85 lang, no? Halimbawa, it's 85 people lang po. Meron pa rin kayong 2 million pesos a month. So, ganun kalaki. Ngayon, pag 10% po siya, so, magkano na lang? Divide natin ng siguro divide natin ng 3. More or less 28 katao. So, I think nasa 800,000 per month pa rin yung kikitain natin. Okay? So, 10% lang po yan. Pero, malaki pa rin yung 800,000 eh. What if 100,000 lang kaya? Malaki pa rin ba? Malaki pa rin, di ba? So, all you have to do is start now. No, you're here right now. Build your story and share it. Then learn and duplicate and hit your goals. Ganun lang kasimple. Ganun lang kasimple yung business na to. Walang kahirap-hirap po. All you have to do is just to do it. Just share it and achieve your goals. You have to also, kailangan nyo rin i-declare yung goals nyo kasi mahirap pag may ginagawa ka na business pero wala ka namang goals. So mahirap yung direction mo. Mas mahirapan kasi mas maigi siguro kung de-declare natin yung goals natin and we are going to achieve it this year before matapos yung 2020. Yan. So, the industry is a $1 billion company. Okay? This industry. Nothing but the best. So, yan po yung isa sa mga events natin. And I tell you, you cannot see it to other companies, other network marketing, should I say this, network marketing companies, only our company, no? Merong ganito ka professional way of dealing with their distributors, with their leaders, no? It's a cutting edge technology, biotechnology, regenerative medicine, no? It's the only company na merong ganitong product, in short. The product that works, no? And then highest paying compensation plan. Kasi when you sell a one set product, you will earn automatic 12,000. And then there's a zero risk because once nga nag-user ka lang, you will enjoy healthy body. So, ma-extend pa yung life nyo. it means you can still do another business, another job other than this. So zero risk. Kahit hindi mo gawin yung business. And a culture that brings the best in you. It means you'll be developed here. You'll become a leader like me, like Sir Rex Bucalao, like Jed Boytrago, and others like Vanessa Te, like Ma'am Josephine Andales, like Agnes Alberca. So lahat po sila, they are really enjoying the benefits of this opportunity of Freeway International. Yan. So, saan kami under? So, before po, we are under Diamonites, but right now, we change our name. We are now a Red Footprint. Meron tayong group sa Facebook. It's a Red Footprint Digital. Or sa Facebook page natin, it's a Red Footprint Business Consultancy. So we are under this organization, under by the leadership of Mr. Rex Bugalao. He's one of the best kasi meron siyang under na Team Supreme Pegasus 5, which earns siguro roughly nasa 50 to 60 million per month. Okay? Mas makalaki pa yung earning ng distributor under kay Sir Rex compared sa kanya. Pero mas malaki na rin yung income ni Sir Rex, I think. Kasi hindi na siya bumababa ng 5 million a month eh. Di ba? Malaki na yan. So, just join the biggest, loudest, the strongest Freeway team in the World Wide Web, especially in digital form, because we are doing this business via social media. Okay? Including this presentation. So for you to know more, just talk to the person na nag-share sa inyo ng video na to. And if you have more questions, kung wala namang nag-share sa inyo, like for example, for me personally, you can directly ask questions na related to this presentation so that I can help you. So for this presentation, I would like to end this. So good evening and thank you for listening.